Hello everyone, good afternoon. Good din akong kuan sa Google Maps. So ato iran nya. So makita na to nga nata sa Manila kay mo sa Manila ang exact location kay na ani man gi kuan ang code ma'am. So makita to ang search location bar, map types o plus ug minus man yang zoom in ug zoom out. Nya mo ang my location, mo ang location bottom. Kung tuplokon mo ni ang normal sa kuan. Kung tuplokon mo ning map types, makuan yung city light. So nakita na to ng city light siya. Nya kung mag-search ka kung tuplokon mo ni my location, ma-detect niya kung asa ta dapitaron nga location, exact location. So nata sa Mount Carmel Hill. Nya so pwede ta mag-search sa search location bar o say gusto kita search tag Panglao Bohol. Panglao Bohol search. So nakita na Panglao. Nakita sa Panglao. No. Makita ang Panglao International Airport. So karon humanong ta pwede ta balik sa Balilihan. Balilihan search para to Balilihan. So ay Balilihan search Balilihan Bohol. So kita Balilihan Bohol. So karon mag kuha na ta sa question. Answer na ta sa 8 question. Question number 1 is, what is the difference between axis file location and axis course location? Ang sa kalahian sa axis file location kay high accuracy ang axis file location. High accuracy provides the exact GPS location of the device within a few meters. Ang axis course location is lower accuracy, provides an approximate location, usually within a few hundred meters to a few kilometers. Sa question number 2, why do we need to request permission at runtime? Some permission like location, camera, or microphone give apps access to sensitive personal data. So under request you to ask the user permission while the app is running, not just when installing it. So ang atong katulo nga question is, what is Fuse location provider client and why use it? So atong kuan kay Fuse location provider client is a Google Play service API that provides the Fuse location provider, a smart system that combines multiple location source like GPS, Wi-Fi, cell towers, and sensor to get the most accurate and efficient location. So sa atong kaupat nga kuan, how do you add a marker on Google Maps? A marker is a visual indicator, usually a pin, that shows a specific location on the map. It helps user understand where something important is, like a destination, current location, or point of interest. Sunod na to is, what is lat lang and what does it represent? Lat LNG is a class in the Google Maps Android API that represent a geographical point on Earth using ang latitude, how far north or south you are. Ang LNG mo ng longitude mo na how far east or west you are. Sunod kay, how do you move the camera to a specific location? In Google Maps, the camera control what part of the map that user sees. You can move, zoom, or tilt it programmatically. So question number 7, what happens if the location permission is denied? Kuan kay if when location is permission denied, if the user denies access find location or access course location, your app cannot access the device location and several things happen automatically. So ang last nga question number 8, how do you enable zoom control on the maps? Zoom control are disabled by default, so have to turn them on using the UI settings object from your Google. Help user who prefer button instead of gestures, useful on device without multi-touch, improves map usability and accessibility.